you want to eat a pizza, then let's all make some pizza. See, Mamma Mia! Start to knead the dough, then we toss, toss, toss.
Yummy, yummy pizza for our familia. Let's all grab a cup. Then we cut, cut, cut. Yummy, yummy pizza for our familia.
Next we spread the sauce with a swirl, swirl, swirl. Yummy, yummy pizza
For our familia. Lots of toppings. We can try, try, try. Yummy, yummy pizza for our familia. Cheese, peppers, olives, cheese, mushroom, basil, cheese. Pop it in the oven, then we bake, bake, bake. Yummy, yummy pizza for our familia. We made a yummy pizza, now we eat